Looking for a city where kids can explore, parents can relax, and everyone leaves happy? Welcome to Portland, Oregon, a place where creativity, nature, and family fun come together in the most unexpected ways. From hands-on museums and playful art, to outdoor adventures and food even picky eaters love, Portland is packed with experiences made for families. We'll start with Portland's top kid-friendly attractions, then explore places to play. Find out why we say keep Portland weird, get outdoors into Portland's parks and playgrounds, and wind up with a trip to the world's biggest bookstore and bites from around the world at some fabulous food carts. Start your family adventure at OMSI, the Oregon Museum of Science and Industry, where learning doesn't feel like homework. Kids can experiment with hands-on exhibits, explore physics through play, and gaze up at the stars in the planetarium. One of the biggest highlights? Touring a real submarine, docked right on the river. A rare experience kids won't stop talking about. Just west of downtown sits the Oregon Zoo, home to animals from all over the world. Families can wander shaded paths, watch playful otters and penguins, and catch unforgettable moments with the zoo's elephants. The adorable babies steal the show, and you know Ambush loves the kids. And nearby in Washington Park, the World Forestry Center makes forests come alive. Through interactive exhibits and storytelling, kids can learn how trees support wildlife, protect our climate, and shape life not just the Pacific Northwest, but the entire world. For an experience that blends art and play, Hopscotch in the Central East Side is a must. This immersive gallery invites kids to run, jump, touch, and explore colorful installations where every room feels like stepping into a storybook. It's creativity without rules, and parents love it just as much. For classic family fun, head to Oaks Amusement Park, one of the oldest amusement parks in the country. Opened in 1905, Oaks still delivers big smiles with gentle rides for the little ones, thrilling attractions for older kids, a vintage roller rink, and even mini golf for the whole family. Portland's love for mini golf doesn't stop there. At downtown's Glowing Greens, families play under neon lights and glow-in-the-dark courses, while Wonderwood Springs in St. John's offers whimsical designs and playful surprises at every hole. Thanks to beloved local artist Mike Bennett. Bennett also created the Portland Aquarium, which offers a playful take on sea life filled with bold colors, quirky illustrations, and smiles around every corner. No actual fish, though. At Slappy Cakes, kids cook their own pancakes right at the table. Flip smiley faces, shapes, and letters, with gluten-free and vegan batters available so everyone can join the fun. For something truly unforgettable, visit the Freakybuttrue Peculiarium, a museum that celebrates the strange, the silly, and the wonderfully weird. It's equal parts curious, creative, and classic Portland. Or level up the fun at one of Portland's many retro arcades, like Electric Castle's Wonderland, Ground Control, or Wedgehead. During the day, kids are welcome to challenge parents at pinball, classic video games, and air hockey. Take family sightseeing to new heights above the Portland aerial tram. These spaceship-like pods float above the city, offering views kids and parents won't forget. Portland also makes hiking easy for families. Explore gentle trails at Tryon Creek, in Forest Park at the Bird Alliance of Oregon, or tackle the 4T Trail, a unique adventure combining train, trail, tram, and trolley. And when it's time to cool off, Portland's parks deliver. From playgrounds to splash pads, at Peninsula Park, Washington Park, and Jamison Square, there's always room to run, climb, and play. No family trip to Portland is complete without a stop at Powell City of Books. This legendary bookstore features a magical kids section where imaginations run wild and parents might need to set a timer. Beyond Powell's, Portland has plenty of kid-friendly bookstores for your family too. And when hunger hits, Portland's famous food cart pods make mealtime easy. With dozens of options in one spot, everyone can choose their favorite, perfect for picky eaters and adventurous foodies alike. From science and animals to parks, pancakes, and play, Portland proves it's a city built for families. With fun around every corner, your kid-approved adventure starts right here. Plan your trip today at travelportland.com and download the free Near Me Now app.